How to lock and hide WhatsApp chat. In this video, I will show you how can you easily hide and as well as lock WhatsApp chats. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open the WhatsApp application on your phone device and click on the conversation which you want to lock. Now click on the chat details and scroll below to click on chat lock. After you enable this, click on continue and now the screen has been blacked because it asked for the fingerprints for verification if you want to lock the chat or not. After that, when you scroll down, you can click on lock chat to access the chat you just locked, and if you want to unlock it, just select the chat and then click on the three dots and unlock the chat. So that's all. That is how easily you can lock and hide WhatsApp chat. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.